In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Jotform to Airtable. If you want your form submissions to flow directly into an Airtable base, this setup is a simple and effective way to automate the process. Once it's connected, every new response submitted through your Jotform can be sent straight into the Airtable table you choose, which makes organizing, tracking, and managing data much easier. To begin, open Jotform and select the form you want to connect. Make sure you choose the exact form that will be collecting the responses you want to send into Airtable. If you manage multiple forms, it's worth taking an extra moment here to confirm you're working with the right one before moving on. Next, go into the form settings or the integration section. This is where Jotform allows you to connect your form with outside apps and services. Depending on the layout you see, the option may appear under Settings, Integrations, or a similar connection area, but the goal is simply to reach the place where third-party apps can be added. Once you're there, search for Airtable in the integrations list. Jotform includes many different integrations, so using the search function can save time. When Airtable appears, select it to begin the connection process. After that, connect Airtable by signing in and allowing access. This gives Jotform permission to send your form data into Airtable. As always, review the access prompt carefully so you understand what's being connected. After access is approved, the integration setup can continue. Now choose the Airtable base and table where submissions should go. Think of the base as the main workspace and the table as the specific destination for your form entries. It's important to pick the correct table here, especially if your base contains several different tables for separate projects or data sets. The next step is to map your fields. This means matching each Jotform question to the corresponding Airtable field. For example, a name field in Jotform should connect to the name field in Airtable, and the same idea applies to email, dropdowns, dates, or any other answers you collect. Take your time with this part because accurate mapping helps ensure your records come through cleanly and land in the right columns. Finally, submit a test form and check whether it appears in Airtable. This is the best way to confirm that the connection is working properly. Review the new record in your Airtable table and make sure each answer is showing up in the correct field. If something looks off, go back and adjust the mapping before you start collecting real submissions, and that's it. Your Jotform and Airtable integration should now be ready to use.